simply go to Google and search this open gradient. Then here you can see this is the open gradient foundation. Simply website, click on this first website, and here you can see click on this open gradient lab. Now you need to click on this chat privately, and I will give this website direct link also in this video description and in a first comment. Here you can see chat.opengradient.ai/agent. This is the website. So here you can see all the model are available. Let's sign in. Click on this login account and continue with Google or email. I will choose Google, then choose one Gmail account. Now we need to agree this terms and condition, and I had successfully logged in my account. And here you can see switch model. Here you can see best valued and cost effective and max effort. Here you can see best value GLM 5.2 and cost effective Gemini 3.5 flash, and medium for Claude Sonnet 4.6 and max effort Opus 4.8. So this video is for GLM 5.2. Simply select the GLM 5.2 and ask here anything. Here you can see the response. Now let's build something to test this GLM. I have my dummy project. Here you can see create landing page for me where I will promote my weight loss product. Please improve this prompt, and this is the landing page creation prompt. So simply copy this prompt and paste here to build. Now send message. Let's check this tool is available to create landing page for me or not.
White tee, designer on my cuff, think something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm bout it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, rolling like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top for the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long hard road, gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah, 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 can't do flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, think something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah.
If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolyster.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.